Hello YouTube, this is Hadafan Know About, and today I have a Logitech keyboard for review with me. Actually, more than a review, it's the durability test, and more than durability test, I am going to talk about how much impressed I am with the Logitech product. I have been using this one for past 8 years. Yes, for past 8 years I have been using this, and there is nothing wrong with it until now. I don't know if it might run still for another 3 4 years. I'm pretty much impressed, and I want it to run another 3 4 years because I want to see how long a good quality product can last, and this one is the answer for it. This one might make records. I'm think many people have used other, and many for others the things have lasted, but when someone uses it in very extremely very much and every day and night, then the the long lasting capacity, the durability of the keyboard or mouse, whatever it is, reduces. But even after we use Sage, if it is last, then that is the answer for it, that is the actual thing. And this keyboard is still available for sale, but not exactly in the same design. The design has changed, and a little bit the design has changed, very little bit, not like very extreme change in the design. So the length of this support has been reduced. The overall only few things have been changed in keyboards now. The response of keyboard keys is nice, and there is no sound when you click them. The response, I have told you, it is good. So overall it is a good keyboard to use, and okay, you can use it if you are buying a new Logitech keyboard now. But but I want to tell you that this is a durable. If you buy once, then it will definitely last you for another 2 to 3 years. I've been using this for 8 years now, and for 2 to 3 years, that is very less. If I have to say that. So this is all about this keyboard. I am signing off, showing you the full keyboard. So subscribe to my channel for more reviews, tech specs, and even vlogs. I have decided to do vlogs also on this channel. So stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.